Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel.
This is not Jeffree Star's channel.
Okay. I wish it was because we're making millions.
Right.
Okay.
Can't relate.
Okay. Oh, yeah, you can't relate to your 2 subscribers.
Hey guys, it's Cher.
And Zach.
And we're back.
And better than ever. And thinner than ever. How many pounds down, girl?
3,000.
And one.
And one. And how many have you lost?
One.
Awesome! So we're back with another video idea.
Thought up 2 hours ago.
Today we thought we would do the blindfolded makeup challenge where he's blindfolded and he does a full face of makeup on me. He's never done makeup at all ever before.
Ever.
So he has no idea what any of these products are even going to be for, much less where they go.
Or what they feel like.
Oh yeah, much less what brushes to use, what products to use where, and on top of all that, he's going to be blindfolded.
What's a primer?
I mean, you're probably more educated than me on makeup.
I mean, I've seen like 3 Jeffree Star videos, so I got this.
That's what we're doing today, and let's get into it.
Watch till the end of the video to see a big reveal.
Yeah, the big reveal is what, going to be the mess of my face?
It's going to be my face, because you're going to do mine after.
In order to help him out just a little bit before we do this, because he's never held makeup before, I'm going to hand him what goes where because I don't want to get my eye poked out.
Oh, we need a blindfold.
I know. Okay.
Just go get like a big roll of toilet paper. In case you guys didn't know, we planned this 2 hours ago. So you get what you get.
Oh my god, don't say that.
So you're just gonna put a whole towel over my face. By the way, we're using toilet paper as a blindfold because we forgot to stop at the Dollar Tree to get one.
Go ahead and put your blindfold on now before I take the makeup that I already have on off so that you're not already blinded by my face with no makeup. So the first thing we're doing is foundation in the wrong color, just saying.
How many shades were in this collection?
I don't know.
Because if it's less than at least 30, then
it's not inclusive.
Then they kind of flopped. So like, I'm not even going to mess with it.
It's like a wand.
Uh-huh.
So you put it on my face where you want the foundation to go. Good job.
Okay, we're going to put some here, some on your chin,
Okay,
right?
Yeah.
This shade is going to be really good.
Amazing. Okay. I'm going to be honest, you just went straight into my right eyebrow.
Those need coverage too. You always take a damp beauty blender. Get out all that bacteria. Now I've seen ones where they smear the foundation. Like they don't care. Like that.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's another technique.
But we're trying to not make it look streaky like paint. So today we're going to go in with the...
it's the Maybelline Master Conceal.
Now does concealer need a shade range or not?
Yeah.
Okay, well what's the shade range? Because if it's under like 30, then it's a flop.
Normally...
I can't tell if it's a beauty blender or hand. So damp and glammy. Is that on there? Because I didn't even feel the product.
Yeah, it's on there. You just get my lips.
Oh.
You went, okay, whatever. I'll keep going. I'll keep doing that then.
Okay, where's your eye?
What? Where's my eye? I thought we were doing the chin.
Wait, well we already put it on.
Oh, okay. So...
Do we need to do anything else?
No. We wouldn't need to blend or anything.
Are we feeling like a big lip or no?
Yeah. But at the end, right? Or now?
Okay. Okay, can you just like take my hand and guide it to your eye?
Yeah. How are you feeling about eyeliner?
I can do it all.
I guess the better question would be, how am I feeling about eyeliner? I made sure to purposefully pick the eyebrow pencil that like doesn't really match my color, but good luck.
So if this looks bad in the end, I would just like to only take partial responsibility. If you're looking for something to really wow in the shade range category, we got a sneak preview of PR package.
Oh yeah, it's PR package. It's been 5 years old. It's the Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso.
That's a dark color.
It's pigmented, so be careful. Good luck finding my eyebrows too.
There's like something cakey in your eyebrows. I would just like to say that I felt her eyebrow and it feels like maple syrup is in her eyebrow. So I'm loving this.
Okay.
Alright, now I've done a lot of eyebrows in my day. I don't have to make contact somewhere. I don't feel like going through any hairs. It feels like it's just on skin. I just felt like I ran into her eye.
You did.
Okay.
Next will be eyeshadow.
Oh man.
I would just like to say you can't see what colors you're using. So that's great.
Is this a Kylie palette? Okay, we're going to go in with a crease.
Okay. I feel it going in my eye, so that's good, right?
Did I slay it or no? Do we want to do a smoky under eye?
Sure. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Lips? Nose?
Sometimes I really can't tell if I'm actually making contact with skin or not.
Yeah, it's just a liquid liner. Good luck.
I gave you a wicked wing, honey.
Okay, I think that was in my eyebrow. I feel something in my eyebrow, so I'm gonna say that you did my eyebrow, but that's okay. I don't know if I trust you to do my mascara blindfolded. I think what's funny is even if I messed up the mascara right now, you wouldn't be able to tell because of all the streaks on my face, probably.
One from my work. I don't do streaky makeup.
I'm gonna hand you the blush. There you go, right on the ear. Here's your highlighting brush. I guess highlight wherever you think the highlighter goes.
Okay.
Well, the cheekbone, I guess.
Okay, now the other one.
That's like almost correctly placed, so I'm shocked. Last is the lip.
We're going with a bold liquid lip on this one.
KKW Cream Liquid Lipstick in the color Kimmy.
Oh, it actually has a name?
Yeah, on the bottom. You just didn't look.
I mean, when you're blindfolded, how could you look?
Right. I mean, pretty close. Almost.
Okay. Is that good?
Now you need a little bit more on the other side, too. That was a mistake on my part, I guess. I should have left it. That was my mistake. Now you're going to do some setting spray.
You know, I don't know why people buy this stuff because all it is water in a bottle.
Where do you hear these things from? Are you like an insane person? Oh my god, I wasn't ready.
Oh.
Okay, I'm ready now. Go.
She's set. Okay.
Is this the final reveal?
Yeah.
I don't know if you want the final reveal. Like, you might just want to go home.
What?
What is this? First of all.
It looks like you just came off the She-Wolf video.
What is that? Wow. This was great. This has been so great.
Well, now you get to do mine. That looks horrible. Number one, your brows are way bad, and there's a piece of eyeliner in that one.
I can't see.
That's so not my chin. That's so not my cheek. That was my neck. Oh, that was my eye. Okay. I hope this is like,
dangerous.
Is this for internal or external use? Okay, that's pretty well blended,
All
so
right.
that's probably better than what I did.
Alright.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is concealer. Now remember, I don't do chin.
Okay.
Because you rubbed a bunch of product on my chin a minute ago.
Sorry. Oh. Okay.
Because all the product went on my nose.
I'm sorry. I can't see. Yeah.
Okay, only one of those was closed.
Oh.
I would just like everybody to know that my brows are now totally concealed. So no more brows and no more eyelashes either. This is so bad. Okay, go ahead and blend.
Okay. How much did you put on?
That's not my under eye either, by the way. That's my like temple on my head.
Are you serious?
Now you said this will come out of my clothes, right?
Yeah.
I have another half of a face. It's not just my forehead. Okay, we're not even gonna worry about blending.
Okay, we're just gonna draw.
Just draw. Okay, that's enough brow.
Okay.
Okay, not bad.
That's pretty dark.
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
There's a lot of pigment on that.
Yeah, I'm sure. Oh well. That's your nose.
Guess we're saying no to blending today.
Sorry.
So now let's go for a dramatic wing. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because I don't think she's gonna hit my eye. I think it's gonna be my eyebrow again.
I think it's gonna be your.
Because that's where everything else is
your
gone.
forehead.
That's where everything else is gone. So.
I don't know if I'm making contact here. Okay. I don't want to do too much.
Yeah, you need to wing it out.
More?
Wing it.
More?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wing it out. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I wanted a wing. I got it.
You got
Okay,
it,
now
yeah.
let's go for the next one.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
I wanted a wing. So we're going to go in with a butter blush. I don't even know what that means.
Okay, now.
The fallout is, of course, phenomenal.
I'm pretty sure you said that 15 times.
That's because that's what I always see all the makeup gurus saying.
Okay. Right there. Your beard hair is gonna be like bad powdery.
We're gonna go with the butter highlighter. Wow. Okay.
Wow, the matching set.
Okay, now we want to go with a
My
bowl.
eyes are burning. Is that bad?
Yeah, mine did too. It's the toilet paper.
I'm pretty sure that it's the makeup, but okay. All right.
Am I on pumped? Because you did that pretty good. My chin doesn't need it.
Oh.
We're gonna go in with the KKW.
No, you gotta pick a different shade.
I know.
You gotta pick the lightest one.
Okay, we're gonna go in with the KKW. This is my favorite one.
Your favorite one.
It's the Kimberly.
This is hard. Your beard is right there. It's gonna get all in your beard, Zach.
These are not Jeffree Star approved because there's not a lot of product per dip.
No, per dip. Wow. Okay. Yay!
So we're gonna take the infamous e.l.f.
The infamous $3 e.l.f.
Matte Magic Mist Set. Okay, so go ahead and set this. Set this so it'll last till I die.
Alright. Is that good?
I have two sets to my face.
Oh, sorry. Which set did I get?
Time for the big reveal.
Oh, gosh.
Now that she's done my makeup.
Okay. What happened to your eyes? Look, we do the same thing on different eyes. Or on the same eye. No, different eyes. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, that looks great. I'm so proud of myself.
Me too.
That'll be $3,000.
We are so glad that you guys stuck around to the end of this video.
Thank you so much. Here's the surprise. Here's the reveal.
The reveal is we're ugly!
Yay!
So were these products Jeffree Star approved?
What? But how is that the question that's suddenly on my channel?
The liquid eyeliner is definitely Jeffree Star approved. If that was actually where it was supposed to be, it wouldn't be bad. Well, we gotta go wash this off, obviously.
Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet.
And make sure you hit the bell button so you get instant notifications to our new video.
That's something I've never actually said before on this channel, so thank you very much. Yes, and hit the bell button below so you get notified whenever I post, which is very rarely, so.
Bye guys.
I see, I don't know how to work my equipment.
In case you guys don't see behind us, like the top just popped off of her lighting. I mean, how much was this stuff? It starts with an E. Starts with an E and ends with an expensive. We decided that since there's a lot of drama in the makeup guru world right now, and like 3 of them got deleted at once, we're making room for us.
Oh yeah, of course.
So watch out, YouTube, because we're taking all the funds.
All less than 1K subs on my channel are like unsubscribed.
Hey, don't forget the KKW beauty that's in the floor.